Help me to collect the boxes quickly. Put the toys to the boxes with their images. You are so clever!
Her brother G is also busy.
Help G to jump over toys. Tap to jump.
Aww. Aww. Aww.
G was feeling sad, but Hippie knows how to make him happy.
Well done, G! You have put all the toys in the boxes. Let's take them downstairs. I will race you.
The busiest person is Daddy Leo. He has so many things to carry, but only a few boxes to pack them in.
Help Daddy to put the toys to the box. Look for the correct thing and tap it. Wrong! Great! You are so clever!
Daddy Leo has finished packing, but now he has to carry them downstairs. But G is feeling cheeky.
One more.
Oh gosh! Daddy Leo has still managed to hold all of the boxes.
Daddy Leo, this is going to take a long
Your father
time.
is as strong as a lion. Roar!
Then one more box.
Oh gosh!
You are so clever! Keep on! Great!
Mommy Josie and Dolly are looking at the boxes.
The first one.
Phew!
Daddy Leo, you need to do some physical exercises.
Your apple pie would be better for me.
We don't have enough room to put all these boxes in the car. We need to choose what we really need and the rest can wait.
But what shall we do, Mommy? We need them all.
We have all things soon. Don't worry, the removal truck will bring the rest later.
Now we need to choose the most important things that we need. What does it mean, important things?
I know.
Me too.
We must take our toothbrushes so we can clean our teeth.
You are right, Hippie.
And my bicycle.
Gee, your bicycle takes up a lot of space. It will have to wait until later.
Aw.
Gee, you can't brush your teeth with a bicycle.
And how can we eat our food with a bicycle?
I know. We will also need knives and forks and spoons.
And some plates.
Help me to collect only the needed things for the road. Find the right thing and tap it. up a lot of space.
Great.
But you can wear your pirate clothes.
What about this as well?
You can carry your sword and your gun.
Pew, pew.
Let's hope that the police will not stop us, thinking we have a real pirate in the car. Hippie loves to take photos with her camera.
That's the thing you need to take a photo of.
Okay, let us choose our special things.
But Mother, all my toys are special to me. I want to take them all.
My things are also special, but we can wait for the removal truck to bring them. For now, I will only need to take one thing.
Hippie's mother is a professional photographer, and this is her favorite camera.
The big black camera.
What is your special item, Daddy Leo?
I know what my special item is. Hippie's father is a traveler and also a writer, and his item is his first printing press.
Daddy Leo, you don't use that anymore. You replaced that with a computer.
Yes, Hippie, you are right, but I wrote my first story on this, and it is really special to me.
Oh, okay.
Help me to collect all the important things. Find an important thing and tap.
Keep on.
Grandma and Grandpa are already at the house waiting for the family. They are very happy to see them all.
And first,
Who is there?
a pirate. Arr.
Ooh, a real pirate?
Grandma pretends to be scared of pirates.
We have missed you all so much.
We are here now. You will not miss us
We
anymore.
will live here until Dolly is older. We are not moving anymore.
Oh no, no more adventures.
But Hippie, there are lots of lovely and interesting things to see at the seaside. Look,
Oh,
I will show
wow.
you. Let's take him up to the balcony. You can have a look around and we can plan our adventures.
Show me, show me.
No, G, Grandpa gave them to me.
Hippie wants to look first.
But
Great.
gee, don't be sad. You are a pirate, and pirates use a spyglass.
Yes, a spyglass.
Come and have a look, G. Let's see what we have here. Grandfather's lighthouse. But what is it that I can see? I think it's a pirate ship. No, it's okay. It's only Uncle Raccoon's cafe.
Direct binoculars. Oh, I like sea attraction so much. This is the place of sea rescuers. Wow, what a big sand castle. We should make the same tomorrow. And what is it? We should find out. What a mysterious aborigine. What is he doing there?
I think we're going to have a lot of adventures at the seaside. What shall we do first?
A pirate ship.
Let's go! On board!
That's the thing you need to take a photo of.